Hey guys, welcome to USA Market. Digital readouts (DROs) have revolutionized precision measurement in various industries, offering unparalleled accuracy and efficiency. These sophisticated devices provide real-time digital display of measurements, enhancing productivity and precision in machining, woodworking, metalworking, and other precision-based fields. With their advanced features and user-friendly interfaces, digital readouts have become indispensable tools for professionals and hobbyists alike, enabling them to achieve precise measurements with ease and confidence. In this article, we will explore the top 5 best digital readouts, highlighting their key features, reliability, and versatility in meeting the diverse needs of modern industries and workshops. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a hobbyist seeking precision in your projects, these digital readouts are sure to elevate your measurement capabilities to new heights. Number 5. YQLILGEN SDS3MS Digital Readout. The YQLILGEN SDS3MS Digital Readout is a reliable and versatile addition to any workshop, offering precision and efficiency to milling, lathe, drilling, and cutting machines. As a user of this digital readout system, I've been thoroughly impressed by its performance and features. First and foremost, the build quality of the YQLILGEN SDS3MS is exceptional. The sturdy construction ensures durability and longevity, essential qualities for equipment used in industrial settings. The sleek design adds a modern touch to the machinery it's installed on, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal. Number 4. YQLILGEN Metal SDS63V Digital Readout. The YQLILGEN Metal SDS63V Digital Readout (DRO) is a versatile and efficient system designed to enhance the precision and accuracy of milling, lathe, drilling, cutting machines, and similar equipment. As a user of this product, I can confidently say that it delivers on its promises of high performance and reliability. One of the standout features of the YQLILGEN Metal SDS63V DRO is its comprehensive functionality. The 3-axis complete DRO set provides precise measurements across various travel lengths ranging from 120 mm to 1020 mm, catering to a wide range of machining needs. This flexibility ensures that users can achieve accurate results regardless of the size or complexity of their projects. Number 3. YQLILGEN YH803P Digital Readout. As an avid enthusiast of machining and precision tools, I recently had the opportunity to test out the YQLILGEN YH803P Digital Readout, and I must say, I am thoroughly impressed. This digital readout system offers a comprehensive solution for enhancing the precision and accuracy of milling, lathe, drilling, cutting machines, and more. First and foremost, the multi-language LCD display is a standout feature, providing accessibility to users from various linguistic backgrounds, with support for languages including English, Polish, Hungarian, Russian, Ukrainian, Thai, Italian, Portuguese, German, Greek, and Romanian. It ensures ease of use and understanding for a diverse user base. Number 2. HYMSEANN Sino SDS63V Digital Readout. One of the standout features of the SDS63V is its versatility in scale models, with compatibility extending to both KA300 and KA500 models. This flexibility allows users to select the appropriate travel length ranging from 70 mm to 1020 mm for KA300 and 70 mm to 520 mm for KA500, catering to a wide range of machining needs. The input voltage range of AC 80 to 250 V ensures compatibility with different power systems, making it suitable for use in various locations. Additionally, the output signal of TTL ensures reliable data transmission for precise measurements. Number 1. HYMSEANN SNS2V Digital Readout. One of the standout features of the SNS2V is its versatility. Compatible with various types of machinery, including lathes, milling machines, drills, and CNC machines, it caters to a wide range of applications, making it a valuable addition to any workshop or manufacturing facility. The voltage range of 110 V, 240 V, 50 to 60 Hz ensures compatibility with different power systems, providing flexibility for users across different regions. This adaptability is further enhanced by the DRO's acceptable input of TTL EIA422, ensuring seamless integration with existing equipment setups. Thank you guys.